Hello YouTube, this is John and we are taking a look at our Canon EOS R. We are also going to Lighthouse Park. So we are at Lighthouse Park right now and we are just getting ready. Just walking down that beautiful pathway that leads to the hillsides. It is a little bit of a trek, not too bad, maybe like 10 minutes, but we'll get there. See you in a bit. So as you can see here, we are just having some food. We bought sushi. We ordered avocado roll and yam tempura roll. Super delicious. Me and my beautiful fiance.